Getting the bracket set up here, and Jim has got the holes drilled. All he does now is need to put the screws in and drill it in. Okay, now putting a little muscle, screwing the screws in. Got one bracket in, lickety split. One time to drill the second bracket into the wall. That's it.
Done.
Now Jim is tightening up the Allen screw, which secures the shade. In conclusion, we've got it all up in the guy wires to come down to this stop right here, and this limits it to where how far it will go. So what you do is you hit this little button, and then down it comes. And without hitting anything, it will stop right there at this little stopping point. And what this does is this limits it from feathering back and forth, you know. So anyway, everything worked out pretty good. And you just hit the button, one stop, and it goes all the way up. And that's all there is to it. I want to thank Jim for coming over and helping me out with this thing. And we'll just hit this down, and it provides shade for this kitchen window. Anyway, appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.